What's up, dude and dudettes? It's Dude here with Due Diligence. I want to let you guys know that we are not financial advisors, therefore we do not give financial advice. We are entertainers though, so therefore this video is for entertainment purpose only. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey, what is up, dude and dudettes? This is Due Diligence here. Okay, I'm about to go to work, but I just want to do a quick video on AMC so then you guys can have a sort of like a very unbiased opinion on this, because I've been contracting my position on AMC to sort of buying some medium and long-term option on MMAT, because you know I'm a poor ass now, right? MMAT literally just eating away a lot of my my options, you know. No pun intended. But for those of you who are still in AMC, I mean, I still have like some like very minor position in it, because it seems like the hedge funds already know the patterns of the play, and as we know that iceberg comes in like right around here, and around their price point, they probably already made like 15. Let's see, they made probably around like they already made probably like around 22 million if they only have 1 million shares of shorts. I suspect them bought about 2.5 million shares of shorts. So if you do the math over there, then well, you know, around yeah, it's probably around like 50 million, more than that, more than 50 million there. And but that's not what I'm trying to talk about, because how much money they make doesn't really matter. I just want to talk about if you like this gap here, okay? You see this initial gap up here, like this from 35 to around like $32. What the shorts are trying to do right now is trying to push it down under those two lines. And once this gap is filled, the momentum we build up all the way around here, like all the momentum here. Technically, this momentum already canceled out most of the momentum over here. So if, it's a big if, because I think Ape is pretty strong. The Ape Nation is pretty strong. Just probably need a sort of a more financially oriented anchor. So if you look at this, right, and then you look at that, there aren't a lot of new investors who are willing to come in, okay? Like if you look at those situations, technically Virgin Galactic is less risky than AMC if we look at the charts right now. But I don't really want to get into this because I'm a little salty. Due to like liquidity issues, I sort of liquidated SPCE a little bit early. But I had always been feel really strongly about this company anyways. But right now, for SPCE, it's not really a short-term play anymore. It's more like a long-term play because it exhausted a lot of its momentum. But right now for AMC, you guys need to be cautious, okay? So when it drops under $33, it's like a warning sign. You guys are like, oh no, like I need to decide, right? Once this gap is filled, there's a big chance it's gonna go under to about $28. But eventually, where the market want to pin AMC at, according to option chain, is around $40. And I think I haven't got time to watch Trey or watch Matt for a while because of work, right? I think what they're gonna try and tell you is our price target is as long as we have 40, we're okay. I haven't been watching them due to work, so if you guys know anything what they're talking about, just comment down below to educate me. Because right now I go to work, I get out of work, and I sort of just, you know, don't really have time to watch a lot of YouTube. I will make a video every day, try to make at least one video every day, and then you know, go on Discord and answer some questions for like 5 to 10 minutes, and I gotta go to sleep and wake up in the morning and do all this kind of stuff. Like the best case scenario for AMC right now is pin at $40, and by the end of Friday, probably, like, you know, if the price point is around like $42, it's Gucci, right? Because most of the yearly options are pinpointed at $40. But if we look at the momentum and look at the sell-off plays, especially with this inflation uncertainty, especially today's J-Powell's meeting. So yeah, it's quite dangerous actually. So for those of you who are really heavy on AMC, Again, we're not financial advisors. We do not get financial advices, right? We everything we say on this channel is for shits and giggles. Maybe secure some of your wins and still hold strong, right? Still hold strong, but sometimes you gotta be very rational, especially in this financial environment, right? Especially with this sort of chart. Yeah, the spiral abyss. Once it once it goes down under 33 bucks, the spiral abyss happens, starts. Okay, but anyways, I think this is it for today, and yeah, see you guys on the upside. And for those of you who haven't sub. For those of you who haven't smashed a like button, smash a like button. Sorry about the energy level in the morning, because I need to write a work report and I gotta go to work. So yeah, see you guys on the upside, and see you guys in the afternoon. Daily MMAT updates every single day. Just it might come out late a little bit, and maybe by the end of this month I will start covering some other stocks. But the funny thing is, like, I have a day trade restriction now because not AMC, MMAT eat away some of my day trading minimum requirement, which is funny because it's just, anyways. But I'm pretty hopeful for MMAT actually. If we look at it, you know what? I'll be pessimistic. Okay, every time I'm pessimistic, it turns out price level is gonna be fine. So right now I'm just a little bit pessimistic. Okay, but in reality I'm quite hopeful. What we're trying to avoid is this drastic ascending price level reduction. Okay, we're trying to avoid this, but I think the new dawn is close. You guys should be hopeful. Go kiss your loved ones. Okay. If you can endure to see these reds, just don't look. Just don't look. Look away a little bit. Wait until Thursday, come back and see if there's a chance of double squeeze. Right now the price level is too low. Okay, at least it needs to get to somewhere around like $7, like 6.5 bucks to really even have a chance of squeeze. Unless all of our friends and all of our superhero friends, all of our other retail friends decided to come buy in starting Thursday, huge volume, and basically they're coming back for us if that actually happens. But the problem with a huge retail flow, especially a huge volume retail flow, is usually people make it into a pump and dump scheme. So if we sort of started to form a lower base, like a very strong lower base over here, if they come in, they sort of breaks up the cycle a little bit. But at this point, we will take anything, right? And again, pretty hopeful. See you guys on the upside. Oh my god, this is the funniest thing ever. Did you guys see George's tweet? I don't have his tweet turned up right now. Let's see. Sorry about the lawnmower noise there. I think it's the lawnmower. Yeah, it's the lawnmower. Sorry, this new place is interesting. I'm moving on in a couple of days anyways. So guys, don't worry about it. These bad conditions is gonna be gone like at least by the end of like this week or in the beginning of next week, okay? But that also means I'll be traveling in the middle of next week. So yeah, George is furious. So last night, per my video, you will see the sector becomes tech, right? And then this changes to semiconductor. So this is semiconductor, right? And then as of this morning, I think just 15 minutes ago, they changed this, okay? It goes from tech back into energy and oil and gas. This is the funniest ever. Okay, this is literally the funniest ever. In my years of trading, I have at least 5 years under my belt. This is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. Okay, anything like this. I think the IR department needs to really work on their relationship with the Nasdaq index, anyways. So then they have to open up a direct line of communication. And I think even just within our Discord, right, was our admins and was our moderators, was between me and dude number 2 and in between, us, I think our communication is really clear, and if we need anything done, or we need, any communication that's, on the exterior of our little community, eventually our community is gonna be big, right? I think we delegated the power very well, and I think we get everything done very quickly. I think George need to adapt that kind of sort of a style of management, and maybe solve this. Because he's just molding right now, okay? He's just balding. He's balding. He's molding right now, because his Nasdaq situation, and this could be potentially pretty bad for the money that just came in last night, right? Not last night, last afternoon, and this will probably lower our probability of having a squeeze this week. But I'm already being numb, okay? I'm already pretty numb right now, so I don't particularly care if there's even gonna be a squeeze happening this week or not, because if shit shows like this happens all the time, sorry about my cursing, it's just you need sort of like, you need at least 5 days for a lot of money to come in and settle, and then after 5 days you have another like 12 trading days to like 21 trading day times to either form a steady lower base, especially in this inflationary sort of volatile financial environment. And then you will see like a gradual upside, like people buys in again, like institution coming in, that kind of thing. But anyways, this is it. I'm just gonna add this part to the end of the video because I just found it super funny. Like, how